Just pulled into Memphis, Tennessee, y'all, and we've just unloaded our luggage into the Airbnb. We've done a grocery shop, and Pete is... well, where is he? There he is, he's lying down. Trying to get the fire going, and we're going to have a lovely meal, and we're going to see Elvis tomorrow. So it was a wonderful trip today across the country. Yeah.
This is our room in the Airbnb in Memphis. It's a lovely room with an ensuite bathroom. The boys are trying to get the fire going with no success. And the maroon bedroom at the end is Peter and Tracey's.
So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the entrance to Gracelands, Memphis, Tennessee. It's Sunday morning, Jan 5, 2020. And for all you Elvis fans, you'll know where I am. Tracey, Pete, Leanne and myself, we're at the entrance to Gracelands. So we're going to do our tour at 11 o'clock.
Vernon's Smokehouse. We pre-purchased the VIP tickets for the Elvis Presley Gracelands tour. It was a fantastic tour. The next few pictures are rooms inside Gracelands mansion. There was no filming allowed. This is one of the few childhood pictures of Elvis Presley and his parents together.
Did you enjoy it?
Loved it.
Yeah. We are in a very windy Beale Street. Just looking around, it's pretty quiet. It's only 2 o'clock on a Sunday afternoon. We've done Gracelands, which was awesome fun.
Got my t-shirt.
Got a t-shirt, and now we're battling uphill. Yeah, it's cold. So we're in the Bass Pro Shop in Memphis, and it's pretty extraordinary, so I'm just going to film you guys and see what we get. So they've got trees and a pond. Yes sir, they go all the way up. and there's the stream, and there's a huge hotel. We are inside the Pyramid Bass Pro Shop. 2 levels of shopping, outdoors boats, ATVs, tractors, cooking, barbecues, knives, archery, sleeping bags, fudge, games, canoes. Upstairs is a motel. It's a real blokey place. Lots of camouflage stuff, lots of guns, lots of knives. I love it. Bass Pro Shop. Trees, huge fish. Just watch them feed the alligators that they got. Yep, they got alligators. Walking past some super slick boats. $615. Oh, that's cheap. Oh, sorry, that's $68,000. I guess it's
You see when you look down would never have happened had it not been for one big old Mississippi River blue cat. One day, my dear friends and fishing buddies, Johnny Morris, the founder of this place, Jack Emmett and I were not very far from this building on the Mississippi River when Jack set the hook and reeled in a fish and removed all the pressure. A beautiful catfish, a little over 30 pounds. Johnny screamed out, "It's a deal, we're gonna do it."
Tracey, Pete, and Leanne. You're gonna see it as we see it. So this is the view. There's the Mississippi River. And Tracey and Peter. There you go.
We had a wonderful dinner overlooking the Mississippi River. If you can recommend any places to visit next time we're in Memphis, please put them in the comments below. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Until next time in Waco, Texas, take care.